Hi, welcome back. Ways to create a condition table. Okay, so in SAP pricing, and we have basically two ways that how we can able to create it that we can able to see now. Okay, so V/03 is the transaction. Either you can able to create it or copy existing. Let's try to check this one before checking practicals. Okay, so as I explained you, so this is one of my best course. It is 95 hours with 330 lectures, 449. Please watch these sessions till end. It will be helpful to you practically, whether you work in support project or implementation project. Okay, if you are not yet introduced to, you can try some of S4 HANA courses are there. And if you'd like to learn pricing in deeper, this is the basic course. And once you finish this course, your basics plus advanced concepts I have explained here. Look at here, this is one of my top rated course. This is new course last month. Now it is top rated. You can see this 4.8, right? So another one is rebates. So if you're already very good at pricing, you can able to track an interview. So then, and you have some issues with real-time concepts, better try real-time idoc training, and you will get one or two questions on shipping and ECC. If you know this one, then you try this course. This is also top rated on ECC. This is not a transportation separate module or not on S4 HANA. This is ECC, shipping and transportation. And one simple scenario I explained in a best way. You will get end-to-end knowledge about how to handle outbound here. So STO stock transfers in S4 HANA. This also you can try if you want it. So I'm just providing these links below this video. I'm telling you, pricing is key for SD functional consultants. You try this course. If you're already good at basics, you try this course. It will be helpful throughout your career. And you can try if you don't have how to write functional specification. This is very, very important concept. How to write functional specification. This is common for all SAP consultants. Here I have given one example how to write a document and what are all the various sections we have. With simple example, and after that one SD report I have explained, but this is specifically I'm just pointing out, it will be helpful to each and everyone who would like to be comfortable in real-time career. Okay, so whether you have experience, you don't have, it doesn't matter. Skills matters for industry. Okay, currently I'm holding around 4,000 students. Now let's get into the topic. So let me try to log in. V/03. Okay, this is basically condition table is, so I explained in my course very detailed why we required this. This is specifically holding your field catalog requirements, either predefined by SAP system, or else you can able to create your own G fields also, and adding catalog and adding to respective structures, and you can able to create a table. This table is basically your pricing combination requirement, whether you'd like to give discount or base price or surcharge or a freight or tax. What is the combination, at what level you'd like to control your price, which is talks about or condition table. So this is, there is nothing specific to explain. So you can see all these are the fields. I mean, this is the heading. Within that inside, fields will be there. Okay. So let's try to do this. This is the table. Now it is available. You can able to create it. Okay. So you can able to create in this way, or else really if you'd like to copy certain key combination. For example, just take here. Okay. So I do one thing. Let me try to create it with some example. For example, city code, country you take, customer you take, customer group you take, and like something like, oh, that's all. Okay, suppose if I generated this table, okay, so now if you go to the display mode, so the table is already generated. Okay, if you'd like to delete it, just simply go to the change mode, press enter. Let's come to the conditions and delete. I have already done one video previously. If you want, you can check. Okay, anyhow, I'm showing here because I don't have more tables to show you. Now it is not available. Again, it is ready for create actually. So now let's take some table I would like to copy, and after that see what happens. So like, country, state, customer classification, and material cost classification. From this table I would like to copy. Okay, I can copy. See this. This is how fields will be copied. Okay, and after that I would like to add additionally some field like uh, something like city code I want it. Okay, if I generate now, it generate with same set of key fields. I want another table also, I can do it. I can copy it. This is somehow little, it will save time. Okay, this is how you can able to create and copy your condition tables. Okay, so as I said, don't neglect this course if you are not yet introduced to real time. And so this is in standard level. I have given the depth for pricing actually. Just try to catch hold this course. If you have more doubts and little slow explanation, go through it. It's already successful. More than 1,000 students I have for this course itself. So previously it was one of my top course actually. Now that is got replaced by this course. And if you are not yet introduced to real time, do this course. And like, I'm requesting you to do this course, idocs, hot and new. Okay, this is newly like, last month's some point of time I have updated. Okay, all these courses, time being, it will be updated. If you want, you can give it a try. This is how you can able to create any key combination for the table. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. And I'm telling you, so do practice, always practice, and try to listen my courses again and again. Please rate my courses so that it will be helpful to others also. Thank you so much. And I'm expecting some likes for this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. If you like it, please subscribe and share as well as. Jai Hind. I'm sorry to tell you, our India name, it is getting changed. It's really good news from Modi government. From here onwards, Jai Bharat.